Abekho Blxckie baby Abekho 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 nangoku abafana no culture. They don't make it like me no more. You put it in that like rappers your power. I rap to the inner core. Hip hop won't die like computer pop. I'm here to save it dog. Akungoku ndaqala been good gamagam. As a scale I've been past a dog. I came out the ground like a dab by your mouth. How much your attention I'll pay with a card. They say I'm too cocky now, that shit is hard. She swallow my nuts but can swallow a part. If I go into hot then I know she gon' fly. If you hang around niggas I won't give a fuck. If you swore then we gon' see blood. Rappers ain't gangsta, they all acting tough. I'm with the gang. We gon' go do bow. Niggas can't touch me, I'm out and about. I'm a good nigga but cannot show love. I'm a real hustler, I'm making it live. If you don't work you can hang with me now. I keep it all straight, I don't care what I say. I'm like soldier, you might you get now. Look at my drip, iyan. Finally tons. Ngathatha yitheri kabani sibalu inkonde. Cause bambe lupinki mhlawumbi okanye u-onke. Money gon' talk for you my nigga. Ngabakho bonke.